Hey guys, Ken from Veteran Screen Printing. Today we're going to go over and do a review on different type of screens that we have purchased in the past and let you know what our thoughts are about the different type of screens. So before we get going, let's roll the intro. Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over the 20 by 24 aluminum screens. We do not recommend wooden screens because when they get wet they warp and just all bad. You know, they're not going to be meant for long usage at all. So we go with the 20 by 24 aluminum screens. And now there's different types of aluminum screens you can buy. You can buy eBay, you can buy Amazon, or you can go from your local print shop, or order online, from Ryan at screenprinting.com, and also other different local suppliers. So what we have found is we have ordered from Amazon, and we have ordered from our local print shop different aluminum screens, and today we're going to be going so this screen right here is what we've bought from our local screen printing shop here in San Diego. We're not affiliated, we don't get paid from them. McLogan's been pretty good to us. So normally with their screens, just a regular chrome aluminum screen, they do mark on what kind of mesh it is. It's hard to see because it's been faded. We've had this screen for about a year at least, and some ghosting still in it, but using haze remover, it does get it sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. So this is a 160 mesh. We've used it, like I said, for about a year, and all of our screens kind of mainly get the same amount of love. We use them, we try to keep on rotating them through different jobs so they get the equal amount of usage. We have ordered some of these ones from Amazon, and as you know, or you can see, these are red on one side and regular chrome on the other. As you can see, there's no screen here no more. This one they do mark as well. They mark it. I figured. Well, so they mark it on the end right here, and it says mesh count 160. It's a lot clearer. I was looking for it on the front like McLogan's, but they don't do that apparently. They just have a little sticker up here. So we ordered a 6-pack from the Amazon, and most of the ones I've seen, they have like a red trim right here, and it might be the glue that they're holding down the screens with. The mesh count. But anyways, we have about 5 or 6 of them have popped, and they had pretty good tension on them still. We on the back of our screens, when we're done, say we got a bottom, big back here, and we got a small chest up here. We'll put tape down here, and so we can print the chest. But when we're taking off the tape on it, I've had about 3 or 4 pop in the last week. Don't know the cause of it, but kind of a bummer because they're just about as old as the other ones that we've used, but they just pop really easy. And they're about the same price as the ones from McLogan. So what we would recommend for anybody ordering screens, you kind of get what you pay for. Kind of anything in life anyways, what you buy is what you get. But too much different, it's not too much of a difference. You're maybe looking at maybe $5 more just going to your local print shop, or even ordering online from a actual printing supply house. So again, you know, you can find these on Amazon. You can find them on eBay. Just be very, very wary of what you're ordering. You know, aluminum is definitely the way to go. You know, it's not even, you know, warped at all or bent in any way. But a good thing is if you do pop your screens, you know, we were told about this a couple weeks ago from one of our buddies that also prints, and it's Atlas. I forget the name, but I'd have to check it up, and when I find it, I'll put it in the link below. But anyways, it's Atlas, and what you can actually do, you send in, you buy, kind of like getting them remeshed, right? It costs about 15 to 20 bucks to get this remeshed. But what you do is you buy from their website, and like I said, I'll put their link below. I'm not going to get any funds for this, you know, recommending it. And actually, I'm going to send about 10 of them their way just to try them out. My buddy tried them out and said he loved them. They're great products. So you buy the screens at $15 a piece. That'd be like a rescreening. But they don't send you brand new ones, brand new screens. You send them your old screens. Cannot be any paint on it whatsoever. Okay? You mail them your broken screen that has no mesh. They, in turn, instead of sending you back the same screen, remeshed, you get a brand new screen. Brand new mesh, brand new aluminum screen. For the price it would cost normally for get them remeshed. And that's another thing we want to bring up is, you know, you can take all your old screens that don't have the great tension on them, and you can get them remeshed at a local print shop for about $15 to $20, depending on where you go. But I thought this was a great idea. I don't know, you know, of course you have to pay for shipping to get to them screens to you, but I don't know when they give you the brand new screens if you have to pay for shipping as well. You know, normally we don't remesh them because it's about $3 more to buy a 6-pack from our local print shop. You know, yeah, that could add up over time, but you know, just buy brand new ones. But when I heard about this, I said, you know, I definitely have to give this a shot. So I'm probably going to send about 10 their way. I've kept about, you know, I was going to get them remeshed, and then when I found out that, you know, I was only going to save about $3 if that per screen, kind of weighed my options. You know, might as well just buy a brand new, you know, aluminum screen. But you know, when you send this off to the company, you know, you can pick out what mesh you want. Of course, the higher mesh, you're going to pay a little bit more. But I found for about a 160, which is average for what we use. You know, we use the 160s for almost our daily, every printing. We actually print white with the 160, black with 160, any other colors that we have. The only time we use, you know, say a 120 is, of course, when we're printing white underbase, or if we're printing, you know, some halftones, or if we're printing CMYK, we're going to go up to, you know, in the 200s, 300s mesh for that. But, you know, what I was figuring is I needed some higher mesh, so, and I got about 10 of these. I'm going to send off, I'm going to get about 5 high mesh and 5 160s. And we'll do a review once we get those in as well, let you know what we think of them. But this is what we think of, you know, the Amazon screens. Don't recommend it. You know, your money's better somewhere else. You know, go get, you know, your proper screen from a proper print company. You know, if you're in an area, a rural area that you can't get screens, you know, and it's kind of hard to order from a local print shop, then yeah, go ahead. You know, like I said, they did last us about a year. But other than that, that's all we have for you guys today. You know, make sure you guys are checking out our journey of a screen printer. We're doing a vlog series on that. We're bringing that to you twice a week. And then we're going to keep on giving you guys reviews on different products that we use. And then as well, we're going to give you some screen printing tips. If you guys want to see anything that we have not covered yet, please reach out. Let us know in the comments below. We definitely read them all, and we definitely answer them all as well. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, like this channel. It definitely goes a far, way with us, and the algorithm of YouTube definitely likes it. And also, if you can, definitely share this as well. We definitely appreciate it. And be safe out there, guys.